Hello beautiful people, once again your boy Luis here with another product from the ANNKE family. This time I got this 4K NVR kit. When purchasing the kit you can have 4 4K cameras or 8 4K cameras. Of course, as always, I'm just gonna show you one as an example. In the kit you will get the power adapter for the NVR, your mouse and the Ethernet cable. One of the features of these cameras is the 4K Super HD POE camera system and vivid night vision. Now, the IR on these cameras can capture high quality images up to 100 feet in the dark. One more feature of this NVR is the H.265 video compression, which enables you to record up to 4 times longer than H.264, and the 2 TB hard disk, which is included when you purchase the kit. Another great feature is the quick remote access and instant alerts, which can be accessed and controlled via the ANNKE Vision app. Once motion detection is triggered, it will send you email alerts and app notifications wherever you are. Another great feature is the IP67 heavy duty metal housing, which will resist extreme temperatures and weather conditions. And last but not least is the worry-free warranty. This is the lifetime phone and email support. And also you get a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now I'm gonna install the hard disk that comes in the kit, but first we'll have to remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver over here. Now let's open the case. Now let's install our hard disk. We're gonna need our SATA cables, so we will have to plug them first. I mean, the process doesn't have to be this way, but they have to be connected anyway. So we connect them nice and tight, and then once they are connected we will have to secure our hard disk. That we will do at the back, which would be this way. So we finish up with the installation of the hard disk. Now we finish up by covering our NVR with the case. So you make sure you screw all of the screws on your device, and that will finish up the installation of your hard disk. Now let's set up the 4K NVR kit. The first thing you will have to do is power the Ethernet cable to the camera. Remember, this is a POE system, so it means power over the Ethernet cable. You do not need any power cable for the cameras because the same cable will power them up. Now, you will have to plug as well your power, your HDMI cable, and your mouse. Now I'm going to show you how to use the ANNKE Vision app, and for that you will have to plug the Ethernet cable onto the NVR. Make sure it's well plugged because otherwise you will not have access, right? Then right click it, got a menu. Well, first you have to draw your password here. Configuration, network, platform access, and make sure the status is online. Right after that, you will have to download the app from these QR codes. It could be Android or iPhone. I already downloaded the app, of course. Now the next thing that you need to do is add device and scan the last QR code, which is the NVR. You see it scanned right away. You will have to add it. Wait for it a few seconds, and it will tell you that, there you go, adding completed. Now finish. You change the name you want here, save, and now it will appear, the live footage will appear on your device. Let me show it to you. I put it on the channel 1, so I'm gonna tap on channel 1, and there you go. That's the same live footage on the screen and on your mobile device.